Preventing hydrostatic pressure behind retaining walls means ensuring the backfill slopes away from the wall at a consistent positive grade. For typical house construction, aim to slope the compacted backfill away from the retaining wall at 2 to 5% where site conditions permit, which translates to a vertical drop of 2 to 5 units for every 100 units of horizontal run. This small grade helps shed surface water before it percolates into the backfill. Place a perforated drain pipe at or near the footing level and wrap it in a non-woven filter fabric to prevent clogging by fine soils while allowing water entry. Use angular crushed stone around the pipe to promote rapid flow toward the outlet. Compact the backfill in thin lifts using a plate compactor to reduce settlement that could disrupt the slope and void space around the drain. Provide a gravity outlet with positive fall to daylight, a storm sewer, or a sump with an equipped pump if gravity discharge is not possible. Avoid dead-end pipes or low points that will pond. If the retaining wall supports a grade change close to the house, extend the slope at least 10 feet where feasible to reduce runoff concentration and tie roof gutters and downspouts into the site drainage away from the wall. Inspect and flush the drain pipe during routine maintenance and after major storms to confirm free flow and to detect any blocked sections early. Common mistakes include leaving backfill nearly level or even sloped toward the wall, which traps water and increases hydrostatic pressure. Fix this by regrading to a 2 to 5% away slope and recompact as needed. A second frequent issue is installing drains without proper filter fabric or using fine backfill that clogs the perforations. Correct this by replacing surrounding soils with clean, free draining aggregate and wrapping the pipe in non-woven fabric. Third is failing to provide a reliable gravity outlet so the drain has nowhere to discharge. Resolve this by creating a defined positive fall to an appropriate discharge point or by installing a sump and pump size to the expected inflow. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place where we can share and discuss project details and techniques like retaining wall drainage. We help contractors find work by listing projects and facilitating community discussion so we can all learn practical approaches together.